I'm in Virginia, and it's for lovers. I absolutely love this state. We have water, we have lots of hills, like we have it all. And I've never been to Tappahannock. I think I'm saying it right. So I'm on my way to meet Jen and Brad, and they are my newest home buyers. So I'm excited to hear their story, because it's my job to cater to exactly what they want so we can start the lifestyle they deserve.
Hey!
Hi, my darling.
How
oh my
are
God,
you?
both of you are so cute.
Oh, good to meet you.
Yes, please.
Hi,
nice
how
to
are
meet
you?
you too, handsome.
Thank
Shall
you.
we get some coffees?
Absolutely.
sir.
Do you guys need all the coffee?
Yes. All of them.
Absolutely.
Let's get all of them. Aren't you the cutest things?
How are you?
I'm doing so good. I love Virginia. And this is a part of Virginia I've never been. Tappahannock?
Tappahannock.
Tappahannock. All right, so why am I here?
I won the Virginia lottery and hit for $912,000.
You won almost $1 million?
Almost $1 million.
Wow,
Yep.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's huge.
Yes, it's been amazing.
I bet.
Yeah.
What's changed the most?
Freedom,
Yeah.
financial freedom.
I lost everything I ever owned 5 years ago.
Wow.
I was on some scaffolding that collapsed, and it broke both of my feet off my legs.
Oh my God.
And I was told I would never walk again.
And now
And
together.
I met her 8 days after being in the hospital. She came and visited me every single day. She didn't miss a doctor's appointment, a surgery.
Wow.
And I had 17 surgeries.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's insane. Well, I'm glad that you're walking and you're
Yeah.
happy. I think this one had a lot to do with your recovery.
Very much so.
The universe speaks.
Yeah.
Is this your first house?
Yes. Yes. Super, super excited.
Give it to me.
3-bedroom, 2-bath.
A little bit of land would be nice.
Okay.
Square footage.
Not really a big deal. I mean, anywhere, say 1,500 and up, maybe.
Okay. So it's more about the vibe.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, we're
Love
really
that.
open people, so it's like when we see it, we'll know we want it.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So you said a little land?
A little.
What if I find you the perfect house that's in town and you just fall in love with it?
If the feeling is there,
Yeah.
then that's what we go with.
I love
Yeah.
that.
Yep.
Do we want new? Do we want remodeled? Do we want something?
So I know a guy.
Okay. Who's your guy?
I know a guy.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask her to introduce me to this guy, because I'm pretty handy, yeah.
How handy.
I have the knowledge and skill to build a complete house from the ground up all by myself.
That's great. So
Yeah.
a fixer-upper, a little something that needs a little love you're not afraid of.
No.
No.
That
No.
opens up all the doors. Like, what do we want to pay for this?
350, 375.
Perfect. So I have a really great real estate expert, Deanne, and together we're going to team up and find you the most fabulous dream environment.
Perfect.
Very excited for
Absolutely.
this.
I love
I
that.
am super excited.
Brad and Jen live an hour away in Gloucester, but they're looking for a quieter life in a small town here in Tappahannock.
I love a good city moment, but, you know, I'm a country boy at heart. Give me some small town loving. I absolutely... Hi. See, everyone waves here. It's so nice. Ooh, that looks like good shopping over there. Hi, gorgeous.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Welcome to Tappahannock.
Thank you for having me.
Sure.
All right. Tappahannock, did I say it right?
Absolutely.
It's adorable here.
Cute as it can be.
How big is the town?
About 2,500 folks.
I love that. I grew up in a town of 2,000 people, so I'm pretty sure everyone knows everyone's business.
They do.
Good thing or bad thing?
Depends on who you are.
Right. So Jen and Brad are super cute. They don't like big cities. They don't like the hustle and bustle. They like the mom and pop stuff.
They will love Tappahannock.
Good. 350 to 375, we're good there?
Sure.
I don't mind going a little over budget.
Okay,
just
well, the
because.
first one is a little over.
Let's look.
Yeah, let's look.
Cute.
First one is in town, in the historic district.
Ooh, I love showing a house in town.
This one has been totally redone.
Oh my gosh, this is fun.
The next one I have has a little bit of land to it.
Okay.
There's about 115 acres around them.
Privacy.
Absolute privacy. Yes.
Love it, love it. Good
so
price,
that one
too.
they will love as well. The next one is in a neighborhood. It's about 1,400 square feet.
That's cute.
Great accent wall, beautiful floors in this house.
Love.
That it is. This one is a new construction. We always want to throw that in there.
New construction is always fun.
Yes.
It really, really is great. I love that there's new construction happening in the area.
Absolutely.
That's really neat. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
These are perfect. Give me some love.
awesome.
There's nothing like small town living, so I'm starting our search smack dab in the middle of it.
I mean, if they want the small town living with everything literally within walking distance, this is the house. and it's completely redone. Do they really want projects? We'll see. Hi.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
Great. How are you?
Fantastic.
Are we ready to live up here?
Yes.
I didn't know if you wanted to be in town or not. You guys were super open.
Right.
Yeah.
Let me tell you a little bit about Starling Straits. It's got 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom, has 1,560 square feet, plenty of space in the backyard, and we'll get to that a little later.
Okay.
It's completely renovated, and I did go up a little bit in price just because it's fun to start that way.
Okay, absolutely.
$395,000.
Okay. So just a little above what we were,
But you have to think,
where we started.
you don't have to do anything on the interior.
Right. Well,
So-
true that. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm saving you money. It's like a
Absolutely.
coupon, honey. Let's get into it.
Absolutely.
They did a really nice job. So cute. You can tell
great.
it's an older house because I almost hit my head.
I love
It's
it.
great for us vertically challenged people.
You guys are both so cute and small. I love it.
I love it.
You guys ready for this?
Yes.
Here we go. Come on in, my cutie pies.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is amazing. I love the window.
Isn't it great?
And that is fantastic.
I love the beams.
The beams. Wow.
Yeah, the beams are original to the house.
Absolutely fantastic. I
Well,
love the rough
Right up
cut.
my alley right here. My style.
Oh, good.
Right here.
Absolutely.
Great dining
Sorry.
area here. I mean, there's so much space here.
Yeah, this is
So
nice.
much space.
There is.
The kitchen is humongous.
I love how tall the ceiling is. Look at the chimney.
Yeah. This whole thing right here makes me so happy.
That's awesome.
It is beautiful.
Apron sink, we love that.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, double trash cans. That's
Ooh,
nice.
fancy now.
Hey.
So, first floor living was not on your list,
Yeah.
but here it's in spades.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
No, it really wasn't on your radar, but
Right.
why
Oh,
not?
wow.
Oh, wow.
This is nice.
Isn't this so cute?
It's a big bedroom.
It really
cute.
is.
It's so nice.
I love the stove.
Yeah, the
Once
stove is so
again,
cute.
The old rough sawn wood
Yeah.
exposed. Beautiful.
And the front door. That's amazing too.
Check out the bathroom.
Okay. This is so nice.
Yeah, it's not the biggest of bathrooms,
No.
but to have an ensuite in a house that's this old is kind of rare.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The charming character continues upstairs with 2 adorable guest bedrooms.
Bedroom.
yeah.
Yeah, great for guests.
That or a craft room or
I
it's
love
perfect.
And a gorgeous bathroom. So cute.
I love it.
Yeah.
The ceiling in here, I absolutely love it.
It's so cute, right?
It really is.
Yeah.
It's just perfect. Absolutely perfect for a guest bathroom.
Outside the backyard is a huge blank slate, ready for projects.
I mean, look at the size of this lot.
It's
Oh, there's so much
big.
potential out here.
So much.
I love this. The slate steps all the way down.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love it. Fire pit already there. It's a great size yard.
Isn't it wonderful?
Yes.
You could build a whole nother house back there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
A little guest cottage. Then you don't have any guests. in
There's
your
my
house.
project.
Yeah. You guys like the property?
Yes, very
Yeah,
much so.
yeah.
The old style, the colors, the layouts,
What could I do different that I didn't do today? Do you want to go out in the country?
less noise.
Yeah, less
Nice.
noise.
Let's do
Want to see
less
some
noise.
acres?
That would be,
Yeah,
yes.
that would be great.
Shop.
Let's
Let's
do
go
it.
shopping.
I want to spend all your money. I went out just 15 minutes outside of town.
Northern Knoll is a unique property and has to be a first here on my lottery dream home.
It is 2 acres that is surrounded by 100 acres of farmland. And look at all of this space. You want to add a few more houses? Have at it.
Good morning.
Get it with the color. Yes, yes, yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
I mean, who would have thought? 15 minutes out of town. We're like countrified out here, right?
Yeah.
I love
I
it.
know, it's so
Yeah.
great.
Love it. It's fantastic.
Let me tell you a little bit about Northern Knoll. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, has 1,590 square feet. It has a basement that's unfinished, so we can double that square footage.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Sits on 2 beautiful acres surrounded by absolutely peacefulness. And the price is delicious at $369,500.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah. Should we go check out the inside?
Yes. Yes.
Do. Well, you have to walk like this.
Do we?
Yeah. Oh, you're actually doing it. I love that. All right, come on in.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Look at this living room.
It's so much bigger than it looks from outside, isn't
The
it? Right?
size is so unassuming.
Right.
The size is incredible.
Right?
And the light. I love this window.
And we have a fireplace.
I know, I love it.
Shall we sit and enjoy? Once you guys
Absolutely.
go over here, I'll come over here. It's a big living room.
It really is.
It
It really
is.
is. This is a great size.
Yeah, this could fit a really big sectional, really
Absolutely.
comfy. I'm a huge sectional person.
Right.
You know, this is the family room.
You know, I love the farmhouse style yesterday, but
Yeah.
I like the farm.
The farm. The farm. Just the
This
farm.
farm. Yes, yes.
The farm without all the animals and all the work.
Correct.
There's plenty of room for visitors to enjoy relaxing farm vibes with 2 guest bedrooms and a renovated bathroom.
Oh,
it
nice.
That's a pretty vanity.
Yeah, this is a good size.
Yeah.
Very nice.
All right, let's continue.
All right,
Okay.
wonderful.
All right, here we have a decent-sized main bedroom.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not bad. It's a lot smaller than
in
yesterday's.
yesterday's
Yeah.
room.
But the great thing is we have 2 acres to build so much out on.
Absolutely.
We could push this out quite a bit. We do have a main bathroom here. We could make that much larger. You could literally add another 500 square feet here and just have it for you guys.
That would be fantastic.
So good. All right, shall we go see the heart of the house?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Yes.
All right, so we have a really nice dining area and kitchen.
I love
Very
how open
nice.
this is.
It's so cute, right?
It really
Yes.
is. I love the countertops.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
These are
Like-
stunning.
And
Oh, that. Look at
the
that.
windows.
The view.
And the view.
Wow.
And the light.
Shall we go downstairs?
Absolutely.
Let's go check out the basement.
All right.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Look at
this
it,
is
just keeps
amazing.
going. Keeps going.
Oh,
Keeps
wow. Yeah, this is super
right.
nice.
going. Right?
Lots of to-dos.
Well, at least someone did a little bit already.
They are to-ditting. You know what's even better is that it's a walkout basement.
Oh,
and
I didn't even recognize
windows
that.
in the
No,
door. Look at
We're
that.
gonna walk out there and see what the backyard looks like.
Oh, fantastic.
Let's dream those dreams, baby.
Oh, look at this.
Look at this, right?
This is so nice.
Yeah,
I love it.
I almost forgot about the list of stuff to do inside just now.
Wow.
So great, isn't
Wow.
it? I mean,
Look at that.
Yes.
so what do you guys think of the property?
I am
Property is
in
spectacular.
love with
Really
the
neat.
property.
Yeah. Can I take you a little outside of Tappahannock and one of the neighboring?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
sure. Sure, let's do it.
I think we should get in the car and drive around and see what sort of cowboys are out here.
All right.
Oh, farmer boys. Hey,
I'll be your wingman.
Ready to mingle.
Today, I want to show them another option of country living. We're going about a half an hour out of Tappahannock to Alet.
Goldenrod Gulch is a really adorable house. It's a little bit more in the country, but we have a little bit more neighbors, still tons of privacy. What I love about this neighborhood is the trees. They're gigantic and huge, and in the spring, summer, and fall, this is going to be absolutely epic. Look how cute you guys are.
Well, you're just precious too.
Thank you very
I love
much.
it.
Like your outfit.
Checkmate.
Only always.
So we're about half hour outside of Tappahannock.
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 I didn't do the end. What do you think?
This is a huge development back here. It is.
Surprisingly big development out
Yeah.
here.
And even though there's a lot of houses, you're not sitting on top of your neighbor.
No. All right, let me tell you a little bit about the house. Goldenrod Gulch has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's our smallest of house at 1,400 square feet. It's also our most inexpensive at $339,900.
Oh, nice.
That's
Shall
good.
we?
That works.
Awesome.
Right?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It
You like
is.
bright colors?
I do.
Because if you like the color of the door, you're going to love the color on the inside.
I think I like the color of the door.
Just remember, it is just paint.
That is
It's
correct.
just paint. Here we go. Come on in.
Oh, I love the shiplap wall
Vaulted
right?
ceilings, nice.
and the vaulted ceiling. I like it.
Yeah, look, you match the walls.
That's right. Can you see me?
Now, the color is a lot, but as
is.
you guys know, we've discussed this before, color is just a can of paint.
Right.
That's right.
Right.
The to-do list can be as long or as short as Brad and Jen want it to be. There's lots of options for renovations for the guest bedrooms and main bathroom, with plenty of money left over in the budget for the main bedroom.
Okay, so they have this main suite set up as a TV room. Like in Northern Knoll, you guys had already had the idea of pushing out this wall.
Right.
Same, I would do. You could push out a little bit each way.
At the lower cost of the house, there's more room for.
Yes. Why don't you guys check out the bathroom, see what the size is like for you guys?
Oh, this is a good size.
It's a great size,
main
right?
bathroom.
is.
Yes.
We'd had to put a second vanity
Yeah, we
in.
remember we had his and hers
Yep.
in the other
Yeah.
house.
Yep.
So we would have to definitely do a his and hers.
100%.
Very nice size main bathroom.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see what we're gonna eat.
All right.
Okay.
All right, here is an adorable kitchen.
This is cute.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love the cabinets and I love the countertop space. This is nice.
Feels like home.
Yes.
It's very familiar, and I think
Yes.
that's really, really, really special.
Yes.
Yeah, hard to find.
It is.
All right, outside, shall we?
Yes.
Let's do that.
Go down and see this beautiful lot.
Okay.
Come on, my darlings. Ah,
Oh, look how incredible this is.
the lot's really nice, isn't
Yes,
I love
this is
it.
beautiful.
it? There's just nothing behind you but nature.
Beautiful shade in the summertime.
Yeah.
Got great potential, and it's definitely on the list of contenders.
Good. Tons of history in the area. I say you guys can take me around to your favorite places.
I'd love to do
For
that.
sure.
Shall we?
Yes.
That's cute. Shopping is encouraged.
Shopping's fun.
Have you guys been here before?
No.
Oh, you are in for a treat.
The building is amazing.
It was built in 1710. That's all we've been doing this week, hasn't it? Giggling our little
Yes.
buns off.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
You guys are pretty precious people. This has been really moving, hearing your stories.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Been through it.
A little bit.
Not a little bit. You guys are a great team.
Thank you.
It's really sweet. You
Thank
guys
you.
are freaking adorable. All right, let's get into these houses, shall we?
Let's do it.
So we started this really wonderful hunt off at Starling Straits, right here in town.
The rustic architecture was fantastic.
The live beams in the living room and the space in the main. Just incredible.
We compared all the main bedrooms to that main bedroom.
Yes,
Yeah.
we did.
Yeah.
That was a really nice main bedroom.
No projects on the inside.
No projects in that
That
one.
felt kind of good a little bit.
Yeah, it did.
And then you were like, okay, we love the city, but we love the country too. So I took you out to Northern Knoll, like literally in the middle of a field.
Absolutely.
The views
beautiful.
from that place, the open views, they're the best, I
Yeah.
think.
Basement space was grand.
Very big.
The work downstairs, it's something to think about because that's a lot to get into.
It is. But there's so many options there. It's like nothing needs to be done.
Right.
No, I like the kitchen with the sliding glass doors.
Yeah.
I think one of my favorite parts was the driveway up to the house. I love that.
And you said a very similar thing to Goldenrod Gulch. Like
Correct.
driving up there was stunning, and then driving through that neighborhood was like, where did this neighborhood come from?
You don't always want to be out in the middle of a field alone.
Tell me about the house and why you loved it.
I love the vaulted ceiling. It was cozy.
Lots and lots of potential. Walk in the door and the comfort of home.
Yeah, and there's something really beautiful about that, and that can't be replicated anywhere you go.
Right.
No.
Now, with all these houses comes, like, I know it was all about the feels. Have you guys decided?
There's the front runner.
We have decided Northern Knoll.
You're country as hell. I love it. It's such a unique property. I've never shown a house in the middle of a field before.
The views all the way around.
And still not being very far from town.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It felt like home.
And it is going to be your home. Shall we?
Cheers.
Why not? It's
Absolutely.
So tacky, but let's do it.
We really knew when we drove up this driveway that this was our pick.
Sure did.
We felt like we were home.
It's peace. It's peace. I think we're all happier living out here. And we're not too far from town. We got so many places in this house to relax, and it's working for us really well.
My favorite part of the house, I collect glass. This is the ring that I found out shopping with David. And for years, I've not really been able to display my collection. And I now have an entire room devoted to just my glass. Hi! I'm so glad you guys are here.
We can entertain again. We love entertaining, hosting our friends and family.
Hi, guys. Hey. How are you?
Just having people we love around us, and we haven't been able to do that in a while, and now this house gives us a really good opportunity to do so.